Hey folks, my name is Jim Glascott. I'm a national manager with Equis Financial, and welcome to our corporate overview. The purpose of this overview is to give you enough information if you're checking us out for the first time, you want to look at a part-time opportunity, or you want to develop an agency, to give you enough information to see if we're a good fit for you. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our market, who Equis Financial is, and I'm going to go over our products, our qualified lead system, how we train our agents, and ultimately how you make money in the financial services and insurance industry. So let's first start out talking about our market. And I think the facts of life insurance are going to surprise a lot of you. The U.S. life and annuity market in 2015 reported revenue exceeding $814 billion. The unmet life insurance needs in the United States is $15.3 trillion. 40% of Americans have no life insurance at all, folks. That's over 128 million people. And most people, 44% of people, rely on their life insurance through their employers, which are low-limit plans, and the coverage does not go with them when they leave. And 70% of households said they would struggle financially if they lost the primary breadwinner to a premature death. So what I'm trying to show you, folks, is do we have a market? I think we do with these statistics. And more than 50% of those interviewed said they'd rather work with a person face-to-face than purchase insurance from the internet. So who is Equis Financial? Well, we're a partnership of agents and agency builders. We were founded in October 2015, so this is a ground floor opportunity, folks, by veterans with decades of experience. We partner with insurance companies to bring our agents the best competitive products, and our agents follow up on people that have actually requested coverage. I like to call them ready-to-purchase consumers. By using our lead system, our agents are able to quickly build a solid client base. And what kind of products do we offer? Well, we offer a wide range of products. We offer mortgage protection, disability plans, critical illness. We use term and universal life insurance. We do final expense, burial insurance, annuities, 401k rollovers, you name it, we can do it. And we've only partnered with the leading companies in the industry. These are reputable name brand companies that are A-rated in the industry. Companies like Mutual of Omaha, Transamerica, Gerber, Lincoln, and that's just a handful of the companies we represent, folks. Now, our lead system is a quality lead system, and how do we create our quality leads? Well, we hire court researchers that gather the data at the county courthouses, and they put them into letter format and prepare them and mail them out. We have about, out of 100 people that receive them, we probably only have about a 1.5% response rate of people that actually fill the form back and send it back to us. The leads are uploaded into our system for distribution, and then our agents contact them and set an appointment. And what are the characteristics of a qualified lead? Well, you need to have a full benefit description. You need a form completed with personal details like height, weight, smoking status, birth date, spouse's information, height, weight, birth date, smoking status. They sign it, they fold it back up, and they mail it back to us. It's clear and concise, and the agents contact them within hours of receiving it. And how do we train our agents? Well, our training is second to none. We have a podcast network where you can listen to training podcasts on your phone, in the car, wherever you're at, whenever you want. It's pretty phenomenal. We have regional sales training meetings run by successful agents that have been doing this for decades. You can have direct access to our executive training team. We have an online training program, and we even have a concierge number, so when you're in the home, if you're struggling, you can reach out and ring up to 20 agents that are going to help you while you're in the home. So how do we pay? Well, for those of you that have never been in the insurance industry, I'm going to give you a little overview of how that does real quick before we go over our pay structure. In the insurance industry, they use a thing called annual premium. And annual premium is basically just taking the monthly cost of the insurance, in this example, $85.16, and multiplying it by 12 months to come up with an annual premium of $1,021.92. Now, our commission percentage, our new agents start at a 75% commission of the annual premium, and you can grow and promote yourself up to 120%. And because the insurance industry is giving you commission on the annual premium, even though you only collect a monthly check, they're going to advance you 75% of that annual premium. And then they're going to pay you the additional 25% in months 10, 11, and 12 as your business stays on the books. So everyone's happy. Now, issue rate means if the insurance company actually issues the policy and places it and makes an offer to your client. And in the industry average, that's about 75%. A lot of policies will provide renewals anywhere from 1 to 3%, years 2 to 5. Some will do years 2 to 10. Some will even pay renewals for the life of the policy. And for those of you that are interested in becoming an agency manager, you can earn additional commissions equal to the difference in your own commission level and your agent's commission level. It's pretty awesome. So let's go over some compensation examples. We're going to show you part-time, full-time, $50,000 agency, and $100,000 agency example. So let's go with the part-time first. Our part-time agents are going to work probably 4 to 6 hours a week. They're going to purchase 6 leads and probably protect 2 lives per week, which gives them a total annual premium of $2,043.84 at a 75% issue rate equals $1,532.88. At their 75% commission, they get paid $1,149.66. And because they only get the 75% advance, that means they'll have $862.25 deposited in their account on a weekly basis. You take away their lead costs for the week, that means they profit $616.25 per week. And let's see what that would equate to on an annual basis. So if someone did that on a weekly basis for 50 weeks, taking 2 weeks off a year, that's a $30,812.50 annual income, folks, on a part-time basis, putting in 4 to 6 hours per week. Now let's talk about our full-time agents. So our full-time agent's going to work a little bit harder. They're going to put in probably 25 to 35 hours a week. They're going to be using 12 leads to get in front of ready-to-purchase consumers. They're going to protect 5 individual lives and turn in 5 applications per week for a total of $5,109.60 annual premium. At a 75% issue rate, that's $3,832.20. And because they're writing more business and they're more active, they're going to be at a higher commission. So they're at 90% commission. So that means they make $3,448.98. They get a 75% advance. That's $2,586.74 per week. Subtract their lead costs, and their profit is $2,022.74 per week. And let's see what that equates to in an annual income, folks. And if you've never had anyone show you how to make a 6-figure income, well, you're about to see that. So if you're making $2,022.74 a week, 50 weeks, taking 2 weeks off a year, that's making $101,137 a year, folks. And that's putting in 30 hours a week, not 60, 80 hours a week. Now let's see someone that wants to be an agency builder, and they're doing $50,000, and we'll see how that breaks down. So a $50,000 agency is submitting 15 applications per week. Of those 15, 5 are your own personal production. You have 5 part-time agents doing 2 applications each per week. So you take your 5 apps at $5,100, and because now you've got a team of people that you've developed, you're at a higher commission again at a 75% advance with a 75% issue rate. Now your income is $2,286 a week less your lead costs. Then we take into consideration your 5 agents submitting 2 applications each per week, which is 10 applications for $10,219 at a 75% issue rate, which is $7,664. And you get the spread between their commission of 75% and yours of 100, so that's 25% override commissions of $1,916. You're still going to get the 75% advance, which is $1,437 a week, with no lead costs, folks, no lead costs. That's an additional income of $1,437 a week. Now let's see how that translates into an annual income, folks. You got your $2,286, your overrides of $1,437, working 50 weeks a year. That's $186,150 a year, folks. That's almost $250,000. Now let's go to the next level, and this is an agency builder that's really taking it to the next levels, got it down, and they're doing $100,000. So 100,000 is doing 30 applications a week. It's your personal 5 applications. You got 3 full-time agents doing 5 applications, and you have 5 part-time agents that are doing 2 applications. So you're going to make your 5,100 in your 5 apps, and because you're doing better, you're at a higher commission again. Now you're at a 110% commission rate at a 75% issue rate with a 75% advance. Less your lead cost of $588. Now you're making $2,573 a week personal production. Now let's take into consideration your team efforts. You got your 3 full-timers writing 5 apps per week, which is 15 applications for $15,328 at a 75% issue rate, which is $11,496. And you get the 20% override commission from that, which is $22.99. At a 75% advance, that equals $1,724 a week. No lead costs involved, folks. Then we add your part-timers, and they're doing 10 applications for $10,219 at a 75% issue rate, which is $76.64. And because they're new agents starting out part-time, you got a higher override commission of 35%, which is $2,682. At a 75% advance, that's $2,011. Again, no lead costs. Now let's see how this translates, folks, to an annual income. I'm about to blow your socks off, and this is all quantifiable numbers, folks. You take your personal commissions of $2,500, your full-time overrides of $1,700, your part-time overrides of $2,000. You multiply that by 50 weeks, and you are now making $315,400 a year, folks. And that's at $100,000. We've got folks that are doing more than that. We have people that are making millions of dollars. So from a compensation example, folks, you got part-time, full-time, $50,000, and $100,000. So if you're already licensed, what's the next step? Well, submit your info at the end of this presentation, access the Equis Financial Agent site, establish your lead order, complete your online training, subscribe to the podcast, and start dialing and running appointments. Now, if you're not currently licensed, well, you got to do some other stuff. You still want to submit your information so we can contact you. You want to complete your online pre-licensing training. We've got a special rate going for $39.99 through June 2016 here. And you just need to pass your insurance exam. It depends on the state you're in. State fees can range anywhere from $100 to $175. Again, you'll access our Equis site, complete our online training, and subscribe to the podcast. So, folks, click on the link below to express your interest so we can contact you to see if we're a good fit for you. Success is often determined by taking action at the right time. You know, are you spending quality time with your family? Are you enjoying the freedom to travel and pursue your dreams? Are you earning what you're worth? We put you first. We're the agent's company. We have the best lead generation in the industry, and we have top commissions. No cold calling. You're dealing with ready-to-purchase consumers. You have vested renewals from day one, and we have an unbelievable training and mentorship program by company's best performers, and we have amazing support to help you build your business. So, folks, I want to thank you for the time. Please input your information at the end here so we can schedule a time to call you and discuss it further. Thank you again.